A sales engineer in the semiconductor industry plays a pivotal role in bridging the technical and business domains. They are responsible for understanding complex semiconductor products and technologies and effectively communicating their benefits to potential clients. Their part involves identifying customer needs, presenting technical solutions, and ensuring product offerings align with the client's requirements. They often collaborate with engineering teams to tailor solutions, demonstrating a deep understanding of semiconductor functions, applications, and market trends to facilitate informed purchasing decisions. The responsibilities of a sales engineer encompass various facets of customer interaction and technical knowledge application. Key responsibilities include conducting market research to identify potential clients, developing and maintaining relationships with existing customers, providing technical presentations and demonstrations. They are accountable for preparing and delivering proposals, negotiating contracts, and providing post-sale support. These engineers are also responsible for staying abreast of industry advancements, competitor activities, and emerging technologies to provide clients with the most current and relevant solutions. Typically, a sales engineer in this sector requires a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, electronics, or a related field. This educational background provides foundational knowledge of semiconductor physics, circuit design, and electronic systems. Some roles might prefer or require a master's degree, particularly for specialized products or advanced technologies. Additionally, business coursework or a minor in marketing or sales can be beneficial, offering an understanding of business principles and customer relationship management, which are crucial for effectively translating technical capabilities into business value. Sales engineers in this industry need a blend of technical and interpersonal skills. Technical skills include a thorough understanding of semiconductor technologies, electronic components, and system integration. They must possess strong analytical abilities to assess customer needs and develop appropriate solutions. Interpersonal skills are equally vital, emphasizing communication, negotiation, and relationship building. The ability to explain complex technical concepts clearly to non-technical clients is crucial. Time management, strategic planning, and adaptability are vital in a fast-paced, evolving industry. Career growth for sales engineers in the semiconductor industry often involves progression from handling smaller accounts or specific product lines to managing more significant, more strategic accounts or regions. With experience, they may advance to senior sales roles, oversee larger sales teams, or transition into account management positions focusing on key clients. Some may move into business development, focusing on expanding market reach and developing new business opportunities. Continued education and staying current with technological advancements can lead to specialized roles in emerging fields within the industry, such as IoT or AI applications in semiconductors.